Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Calendar task reminders with smart home support step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Google Calendar app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Once you're in the app, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Task. Enter the title of your task in the designated field. Set a due date and time if necessary, by tapping the calendar and clock icons. To enable reminders for your task, scroll down to the Reminders section. Tap on Add Reminder. Choose the time you would like to receive the reminder notification. If you want recurring reminders, select the option to repeat at your desired intervals. Once you've set your reminders, tap Save to confirm the task. Next, ensure your smart home device is set up and connected to the same Google account. Open the Google Home app on your device. Find your smart home device in the app and tap on it. Look for the option to link your Google Calendar to the smart home device. Follow any necessary prompts to authorize this connection. Now, check your smart home device settings for notification preferences regarding reminders. Adjust the notification settings according to your preferences to receive task reminders. Test your setup by creating a new task with a reminder and check if the alert activates on your smart home device. You have now successfully enabled Google Calendar task reminders with smart home support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.